Good evening, friends. I welcome to all of you. In this video, we will learn about digital signature certificate. I request to please subscribe this video to get the auto notification for my next video. Dear friends, as you know that if we are entering into agreements with any parties, then signature of the both parties are mandatory. In sometimes signature of witnesses, and also it requires that it may be happened before authorities. So in manual agreement, in physical agreement, we require copy of agreement, annexures and supporting documents, identity proof, address proof of both the parties. Now, as we are in digital era and most of the agreements are happening in digital mode, then it is the demand of time that signature should also be happen in digital mode. So if the signing is happening in digital mode, then it should be some authenticity and legal validity. So Government of India has made a provision in IT Act 2000 regarding the digital signature certification. In digital signature certification, we have a number of benefits. That is, we are saving, we save the printing of papers, means we save our environment. All the papers, documents, copy of agreements, supporting documents are in digital mode only, so no need to print copy of agreement or the supporting documents. Further, we can sign digitally at any time, any point of time, maybe as per our convenience. We need not to appear before any authority at a specific time period, so it is very convenient to us. And the other benefit in digital signature, that it has a legal validity. The documents are secured. Only the person who is authorized to read the PDF can read the document after the digital signature. There is no need to take extra precaution to preserve such documents, because such documents are being secured in digital mode. Dear friends, Government of India has given authority to 15 organizations to issue digital signature certificates. These organizations are NIC, National Informatics. Basically, it is giving the digital signature to government officials. Then the second is NSDL, National Securities Depository Limited, IDRBT certifying agencies. Then Customs, Indian Customs is also a certifying agency, but it is giving DSC to its employee only. Then Safe Script CA Services, Code Solution CA, E-Mudra, Capricorn, Pentasign, ID Sign, Versaya, Extra Trust, Care for Sign, Signex and Prodigo Sign. So these are the agencies which are authorized to issue digital signature certificate. Digital signature certificates are valid for 1 year, 2 years and 3 years as per the choice of the customer. Dear friends, digital signatures are required for many activities like e-tendering, GST return filing, ITR return filing, registration of AD code on ICE gate, which is very much essential if an exporter or importer desires to get IGST refund. Anywhere where the digital signature is required on a PDF document, it may be done through digital signature certificate. Friends, the charges or fee for digital signature certificates is different, which is fixed by different certifying agencies. It also depends on the validity and whether you want only for signature or document encryptions. If you want the document should be encrypted, then they take some charges. However, the charges of digital signature is between 2500 to 4000. Now I am going to talk about the process that how you can get digital signature certificates within few hours. So let's see the process. Friends, for digital signature I am going to tell the process of e-mudra, which has the maximum shares in the digital signature certification for the public member. Dear friends, go to emudradigital.com, where this page you will see this page, and you have to choose user type, individual or organization, then certificate type, signature or more, that is document encryptions. You want to that document should be encrypted, and third, validity 1 year, 2 year or 3 years. It is as per your choice. Then if you are staying outside India, then you have to select this checkbox, otherwise leave it. Then you click buy certificate, then you have to enter your name and mobile number and click here continue. Then you will get an OTP on mobile number, enter the mobile OTP and enter continue. You will get this type of a screen. You have to enter your email ID, company name, GSTIN. If you are an importer or exporter, then GSTIN is compulsory here. Then address, you put your address. Normally the address should be as per Aadhaar document. You select the country name, state name, district name and postal code. And if you want to deliver the crypto token is in the form of pen drive. You want to deliver it in different address which is mentioned at on your Aadhaar, then click select different address and you have to enter the address. Otherwise you have to select above address and click proceed to pay. You have to pay the amount. You can pay the amount by various method as per your choice, like net banking, UPI or debit card, credit card. Okay, so various way of payment is acceptable. Once your payment is successful, the website will direct you on this page for digital verification, KYC verification, and it is advisable that you should opt for quick individual DSE authenticate with Aadhaar plus OTP or biometric by Aadhaar linked mobile. Then once clicking you, the software will redirect you on this page where you have to enter this PAN number, mobile number and get OTP. Click get OTP and enter the OTP received on your mobile number. Then here enter email ID and click get OTP and enter the OTP received on your email ID. Then enter the Aadhaar number, click OTP and then enter the click here for get Aadhaar OTP and enter the OTP which is received on the registered mobile number of Aadhaar. Then here is the challenge code. Challenge code is nothing. It is a password security code which may be opted by you. You may opt. It should be of minimum 8 characters, combination of lowercase, uppercase, number and a special character, and you have to re-enter this challenge code and you have to note it somewhere, because at the time of downloading the digital signature certificate, system will ask this challenge code. So it is very important. Then click on proceed. Once you click on proceed, this will following page will be reflected, and here is application video recording. Go here and when you click, it will come record video. So you have to record video that I am so and so, say your name and applying for DSC, and when you click this record video, one code is generated for you. So you tell that code number also, and once you record the video, then you can check the quality of the video, and if you happy that video is correct, if you satisfied that your video quality is good, then submit. Otherwise you can re-record the video. The video is required to be recorded for 30 seconds minimum and maximum for 30 seconds, and once you submit your video verification, then from backend it will be approved. It will take nearly half hours, and after that you can download your digital signature certificates. Your digital signature certificate token will received at your address within 2 to 3 days. Dear friends, if you have any question regarding this digital signature certificate, then please mention in the comment box. I will reply your query, and I request you to share this video with maximum friends, exporters and other known, so that they may know the process. It is very easy to get DSC digital signature certificates. Please subscribe my video so that you can get the notification of my next video. Thanks for watching my video.